Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme for you. This week's theme is bird. Next week's theme will be Jill's Joyful Heart. We could not get by without focusing on her. And if you don't know who Jill is, she is the person who created this wonderful platform called Saturday Morning Makes, which we all create something and bring it to you on Saturday morning. And so if you have Jill stamps, either one, if you have the Snow Angel stamp, it would be perfect also to enter into Handy Scandy's theme, which is hashtag snowman in January 2025, and next week will be the last week to enter that, so you could use that or either one of the stamps. So just get your creativity flowing, and let's support Jill in using her stamps next week. Jill's Joyful Heart. All right, so like I said, this week's theme was bird. Let me show you all the things I used to create my bird project. So we have My Creative Times, Fun Valentine's, papers, and I focus mainly on the gray. And this is the birdhouse that I'm using from My Creative Time. I'm using this big one and along with these little birds. I'm using the strawberry flower plate die, using some of the flowers that Shabby Pink House created for me, and then also from the leaf plate die, I'm using one of these leaves there. Stay Beautiful stamp and dies, I'm using this here. I'm using this, which is from My Creative Time, rectangle frame die layers, and also this one, rectangle frame die. And then this is a new embossing folder I picked up from Simon Says Stamp when they had one of those nice little sales, and I think I got it for $1.99. Here goes this beautiful little card, and I'm so sorry if it's not focusing right. It's kind of dark outside today, and I'm not getting that sunlight. But anyways, this is the card I created using predominantly My Creative Times items, and if you'd like to use my code MOE for 15% off your purchase. Today is the last day of her 148th edition release, so you can go ahead and use that and get 15% off if you'd like to purchase any of these products that I showed today or the release. All right, so this is adorable. I thought it just turned out so cute. Those little birds are just perfect. And then I got a little bird told me. I don't know for sure if I'm going to leave that there, but I might change the sentiment. But anyways, it's there for now, and it's so super cute. This is the little flower that I used there. Just adorable, adorable, adorable. I thought I would use a little stoop there for them to stand on, and that's that little piece that you can put underneath the birdhouse if you'd like. But check out that background embossing folder, just too cute. I love it. It's so adorable. I love that. And then I also added some paint splatter in the back, so I love how that turned out. So cute. And then there goes the inside. This is where I used those layering dies from My Creative Time. But I love this card. Okay, so make sure you enter our collabs. If I didn't mention, also entering this into hashtag SatMoreMakes. I don't think I mentioned that, but you all probably know by now. So make sure you're ready to pull out Jill's Joyful Heart stamp. Everybody has been using them, but this is one day that we're going to focus on her, which is next week. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.